How to build an email list on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an email list on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage online stores with ease, in which it has grown to support millions of merchants worldwide by offering a user-friendly interface, a wide range of customizable themes, and a powerful tools for selling products online, in person, and through various social media and marketplace channels. And also, Shopify provides integrated solutions for inventory management, payment processing, shipping, marketing, and analytics, making it a comprehensive choice for both small startups and large enterprises. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the Start Free Trial button, where you could also sign up with email, Google, Apple ID, and Facebook. After signing in, you'll be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now to start creating an email list, you can simply proceed by navigating on the top panel the search bar, which is by simply entering here the email. So by clicking or entering email in here, just simply click the enter button below to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you should be able to be directed on this page right here, which is this email built in on Shopify. And now to proceed, make sure to click or firstly install this email by clicking this install Shopify forms in here. By clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, so just click the install button once again to install the Shopify forms, since this application will help us to build an email list in here on Shopify. So after successfully installing these email forms, you can click Create Form button to start creating a new form to grow your audience in here. You have the option in here to choose either pop-up or inline. And I'm going to choose, for example, this pop-up, and for the form name, for example, I'm just going to enter the form, which is exclusive form. Then click the Create button below to proceed. And after that, from here, it will show you what it looks like on the right side panel. We have here the option to choose the overlay color or choose the pop-up display, which is floating in here. And after that, below, it will show you the teaser. And the default in here is to show if the customer closes the form without subscribing. You could also enter here the title, which is sign up in here. And also, don't miss out. And for the position of it, I'm going to enter or select the bottom right. So it should be located on the bottom right. That will be able to see by the customer or the viewers of our website. And after clicking on it, the form sign up in here should pop up. We have here the field of first name and email address, so that the customer need to fill out their name and email in order to submit for the exclusive deals that we offer, which is located on the bottom right in here. Now after that, you could also select here, for example, the overlay color, which is, for example, this yellow in here, and this kind of palette color. And now below to proceed, you could also select here the kind of teaser that you prefer, but I'm going to keep it that way. But now moving on below here, you should be able to see some other options to complete to the form to sign up. But instead of this content, let's say I'm going to enter here, sign up or fill out the form for our exclusive deals. And you could also add more fields in here to add, including, for example, by clicking on it, the phone number, their birthday, and even add a new text, date, drop-down list, and many more. So that depends on your preferences. But I'm going to keep it that way, which is only the first name and also the email address. While the submit button in here is already included, we also have here this consent or a disclaimer. While below the success after this been submitted, you should be able to see here the result. And as you can see, you could also select a discount if you want to, or redirect to another page the viewers. By redirecting them in another page, you could also fill out the required information. But I'm going to choose to show this message, which is thank you, the form has been submitted. You'd also style the colors, the form fields in here, the headings, which is the font style, the image, the devices, different kind of behaviors, tags, and many more, and even these email notifications by checking these boxes. As you can see, it is so basically what it looks like. By clicking the save button on the top panel, it will be able to be saved. But as you can see, it says here that your form was been created. And now the next thing that we need to do is to simply install the Forms theme app embed. So to do that, just click this button, go to online store in here. And upon doing so, you should be able to be directed on this editing or editor section in here of your website. And turn on the left side panel the forms and just proceed by simply clicking the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. But basically this is what it looks like when they try to click the don't miss out button on the right side panel or the bottom right in here, which is this one. And let's say we're going to customize again the color in here. Instead of this bright yellow, I'm going to click render by clicking this overlay color button and simply select here a more lighter, which is for example this color blue. And to save the changes, you simply proceed by clicking the save button on the top panel. When doing so, you should be able to see here the changes. Moving on to view the submissions by clicking this button in here, view submissions, you'll be directed in here where it will show you the list of the submission from your customers or viewers, including their name and also their email address. This is basically where you can start adding all of the data. But going back in here, you should be able to see all of the available storefronts, web pages, and many more on your forms. But while we go back in here, you could also start editing the forms that you prefer. Now as you can see below this overview, we already have here created one exclusive form. So now the next thing that we need to do from here to create an email list is to simply choose to add or create a new campaign. So just simply go back to our email by searching on the search bar, and from here below just simply select here this create campaign button below. And after that, in here you could also set up your own template branding by filling out the required information, such as by selecting the image logo, choosing the design, store name, typography, and many more. It will show you in the right side panel what it basically looks like. And now to proceed to the next step, if you don't want to add or fill out any of this form, you can proceed by clicking the next button on the top right corner, where you will be able to see here or be directed on the page where you can start selecting different kind of templates. And in these templates, I'm going to choose, for example, the new product. By clicking on it on this pop-up window, just simply click the select button in here to proceed, where it will show you what it looks like based on the product that you have on your store. So now as you can see, it is basically in here where we can start sending the test to all of our subscribers on our email list. We have here our latest product, which will be sent to our subscribers who already fill out the form to sign up, which is their email and also their first name. And as you can see in here on the right side panel, you could also choose the content background if you want to on the right side panel in here. So basically, building an email list is essential for any online business because it provides a direct and a reliable way to communicate with your audience. So overall, that is just basically how you can build an email list on Shopify. Thank you.